What's happening, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a plant that's got some great and a whole lot of companion plants, a couple of negative ones. I'm also going to talk some health benefits, good and bad, about this fantastic plant called chamomile. Let's get to it. And welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to plant some chamomile, and then I'm going to talk about the companion plants and the positive and negative health benefits that I've found for chamomile. So first we're going to get to it. We're going to plant these chamomiles. Last couple of videos you've seen me plant some rosemary, some spinach. So today is chamomile. So I've already prepped. I got my planters ready, and so I'm going to show you these seeds. They're crazy small, and then we're going to plant them in the holes and get going. All right, so here we go. What I'm starting with is the Lake Valley Organics German chamomile. I'm going to plant some of this. I'm planting 4 of these, at least 4 pots, and I'll get into that a little bit too. But yeah, so let's get to planting. All right, I'm going to zoom in on this, and I'm just going to show you these real quick, and then we'll get into everything else. All right, so first I want to show you these seeds. They're very, very small. I don't even know if you can see those things. They're very, very small. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plant a few of these in each hole, because I'm not going to sit here and try and count these things. But there's a few there. Let's do this. All right, so I'm just going to take a few, drop them in the hole down 1/4 inch, cover them up, and we're good to go. Take a few more. There's no way to count these things. I'd need a magnifying glass to try and count these things. Okay, I'll take the rest of these. Now I plan to plant these in different places around my garden so that they help bring in some pollinators. And as I talk about the companion plants, you'll understand why. There's a bunch of them in that one. All right, so we got those. We got our little sticks, chamomile. We're going to pop those in. And we're good to go. All right, so we just planted the chamomile, and so I wanted to talk about the companion plants. There's a whole lot of positive companion plants for chamomile. Cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, turnips, radishes, basil, cucumber, onions, beans, garlic, tomatoes, and potatoes. Also, any of the fruit trees that you got. Those are all positives for companion planting chamomile. There are a couple of negative ones that you don't want. I don't want to say negative, but ones that you don't want to plant chamomile around. That's fennel, sage, dill, carrots, and mint. Some of the health benefits for chamomile: it's good for anxiety, inflammation, nervous system, your skin like acne and eczema, great for sleep, fever, acid reflux, gut health, and even some wounds. Some negatives about chamomile that you may want to check into. And once again, I'm going to preface this by, like I have in my other videos, I am not a doctor. I am not giving you medical advice. This is stuff that you need to look up and do your research on before you use it. Okay, so some of the negatives that could possibly happen with chamomile: drowsiness. We said one of the positives was good for sleep. So a negative is drowsiness. You may have an allergic reaction if you're also allergic to ragweed, daisies, marigolds, and chrysanthemums. If you're taking blood thinners already, you might want to look into not taking chamomile. And there's a whole list. There was a list of medications that chamomile may have an effect on. So please, again, I'm not a doctor, not giving medical advice, but do your research. Chamomile seems to be a fantastic plant that you can use in teas and things like that. So check it out. Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate you. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Please share with your friends. I hope they're interested in it too. Appreciate you. Appreciate all my subscribers. And take care of each other.